Hello everyone, welcome to IT Smart. My name is Mary and I'm glad to have you all here. So, if it's your first time, you're in the right place. Like I said earlier, I'll be taking you through a few tutorials on how to enhance your computer skills. So, let's get started. Today, I'm going to be talking about mail merging. So, mail merging is basically a way of creating labels, letters in bulk. So if you're looking for a way to send many letters, labels, or envelopes at the same time, the mail merging feature will do the work for you. So let's get started. I've opened this document. This document is already, it's a letter itself that I'd already typed. So we're going to apply the mail merging features on this letter. So we shall open the mailings tab. So from the mailings tab, you can see a start mail, merge, select recipients, edit recipient lists, insert mail. Okay, all these tabs, they're all used in the mail merging. They're all used for mail merging. So let's get started. From this mailings, when you want to start a mailings tab, you can go to start mail merge itself and we select letters. Since we're looking at letters, we're going to use letters. So from there, we're going to um, select letters. From selecting letters, we are going to come to this select recipients. But from select recipients, since I don't have an existing list, you can get an existing list from Excel, from Access. Yeah, but this time I'm going to use type a new list since I don't have an existing list from the rest. So you can type a new list. From typing a new list, you can see that given us different list headings. But then you can customize, as I'm doing. You can customize and then you choose which headings that you want. So if I want the title, I can delete the title since I don't want it. I can delete the state since I don't want it. I can delete the zip code if it's not necessary. So basically you should just get the necessary headings that you need. Those are the ones that you're going to use if you're using your work. So I'm basically deleting all the headings that I don't need. Let me see, I can stay with one address. You can delete that as well. So this is what I'm remaining with. So these are the fields that I'm going to use and simply press OK. So I'm going to type the names that I need. Can type the names that I need. You can type a company. Let me say she's from Solar Company. Then the address. I can write just simply typing any address that I need. The city, sorry, the address, let me say it can be Golf, then the city. So you just type the addresses, the cities, anything that you need, any information else. So you come to new entry in case you're adding any names in between. So here I can have another name. You can see I'm typing other names. So this is how mail merging works. You can just simply play with each and everything. So it comes from a drugs family, a drugstore. Here you can just typing in anything. Yeah. So you keep adding entries that you see are necessary. If let me say you're typing like 6 names, 20 names, those are 20 entries. You keep adding everything. Yeah, you make it. Let me say log can put box. So if you're done with typing, you can go to new. You can press OK. So when you press OK, it brings you to. You can name that file that you have just typed. Let me say I name the file test so saves. That's how I'm saving my file. You save your file. Yeah. So it's saved. So from there, you come to inserting the merge fields. So from here, you can come to insert merge fields. You can insert them where you want, like let me say. So it's automatically bringing the names. So you can insert the merge fields, company name. You give a space. When you're doing that, you give a space. From the company solar. Yeah. Joe. Set the address. City and then the country. Yeah, so you can even put it designs of the deer itself. Let me say you're inserting a name field here. Yeah, so you can see I've inserted the names, the address, all the necessary information. So if you want to go to the next letter, you can just come to find recipients. Actually, we are on preview, so if you want to go to the next, you can tap the next, and you see it brings you directly, like showing you the whole thing. If you want to go to 3, it can show you, so it just changes automatically from here. So yeah, so that's how to play around with the mail merge. Yeah, so after here you can just finish and merge. You either print, edit in individual's documents, or you send to email. You send as email messages to those people. So yeah, that's how simple mail merging is. Yeah, if you have learned something, just give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on any content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's it for today. Till next time, bye.